Today's video is brought to you by Oxydo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxydo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxydo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxydo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode we are going to be cleaning up the parts that we got the other day at the junkyard for the Xtreme. Now I've already gone ahead and done the side skirts. Basically I just hosed them off, wiped them down, and they're good. But we're going to be concentrating today on removing the paint from this rim, or at least trying. We're going to see how it looks. I got some stuff that hopefully is going to take care of it. But before we get too far into today's episode, make sure you go ahead and hit that subscription button if you haven't done so already, the notification bell, leave a comment, a thumbs up. All that stuff is greatly appreciated, and it's very helpful. Also, you can follow me along on Instagram at 612 Motorsports. Now let's clean this rim up and see what happens. For today's mission, we are going to be using some Goof Off Pro Strength graffiti remover. I figured that's probably the best thing to use to try to get spray paint off, right? We're going to leave that sit for a minute or two. Just that it's so thick that I'm gonna have to really use a few cans probably. We're gonna let the sun dry that, and then we'll hit it with another coat and see what happens. Alright, so it's been a few days. The weather here hasn't really been cooperating with trying to get this project finished anyways. And actually it's sprinkling right now, and we're supposed to get a heck of a rain, but I figured I gotta get it done. So we're gonna continue on the wheel today. As you can see, we've got a good portion of it off and a good portion of it left to go. We're going to use the pressure washer today, so we're going to see if that's going to help at all. Let's throw a coat of spray on there and see what happens. So it's been a couple of minutes, not a real long time yet, but it does start to come off with my finger only. So I think the pressure washer is gonna help for the thick areas anyway, and especially all these little nooks and crannies and hard to get places. So you can really see it starting to bubble it up, and I'm sure that's the foam too from the chemical, but it's breaking her loose. That's about as good as it's gonna get with the pressure washer, and I don't think I want to put another coat on. As you can see, it's kind of making the finish come off. I mean, a guy could have these resurfaced, not a big deal, but I don't know if it's worth it. But for the most part, they came out not too bad. I don't know if I should do the other three now or leave those and let somebody else attempt it. Let me know what you think I should do in the comments below. Should I try to clean up the other three rims, continue with this one, or should I just call it good? I don't know. Let me know what you think. I'd like to hear some advice if you have any other paint removers or non-harmful abrasive chemicals that you can think of that will help me get these clean, that will leave behind the nice finish where I won't have to have the rims redone. That'd be great. Leave those comments below. That's going to wrap her up for today. I hope you enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.